64 x to the power of 7 by minus 729 x to the power of x y to the power of 7. So we can see then x and y is common in this statement. So we can write it outside as a common factor. 64 x to the power of 6 minus 729 by 6. So we all know that 64 is equal to 2 to the power of 6 and 729. 729 we can 729 divided by 3, we can see 2 4 3 81 27 9 3 and likewise we can say that 229 is equals to 3 to the power of 6. We can write that 729 is equals to 2 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of 6. Okay, so we can write this using that 2 to the power of 6 x6 3 to the power of 6 by 6. We can write this statement like this. We all know that a to the power of b c equals a to the power of bc. These two will be multiplied. Okay, so likewise we can write 2 to the power of 2 3 x to the power of 2 3 minus 3 to the power of 2 3 by the power of 2 3. You can see 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Like that we can write this whole thing, and this theory like this equals to a minus b a to the power of 2 minus plus a b plus b to the power of 2. A to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals this statement. So we can see this is equals to this, so we can write this like that xy. So a minus b we can write this 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 y to the power of 2, and also the other bracket 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 and plus a multiplied by b 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 y to the power of 2, sorry, and plus b power of 2 means like this. That's it. So we can write this like this xy 2x minus 3y 2x plus 3y. Using this theory, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, we can write this a minus b and a plus b. You can see this is equals to this, so we can write like this. So we can see that we can solve this. 4 x to the power of 2 plus 4 x to the power of 2 multiply 9 y to the power of 2 plus 9 y to the power of 2 2. Oh, that's it. Okay, and xy 4 to the power of 2 is 16. X to the power of 2 means x 4. Alright. And 4 multiplied by 9 is 36, and x to the power of 2, y to the power of 2 plus 9 to the power of 2 means 81, and y to the power of 2 to 2 is y to the power of 4. So that's it. This is the answer.